Wowza, is what I want to say. It's the end of 2023, and in a very few hours, it's going to be the new year. So please join me with spending just a few moments wondering what your intentions are going to be. Because it's so easy at the end of a year, this is what I've observed through clinical practice, it's so easy to attempt to make New Year's resolutions, which statistically are broken very, very quickly. Whereas actually to become really clear about our intentions for the new year, and to perhaps even put reminders in our new diaries, is a very different thing altogether. So for instance, last year, which I'm very grateful for right now, I decided that my intention was to live more peacefully and to live with a greater sense of gratitude. Now, I didn't know what was going to come at me this last year, and I have really needed to remain grateful and to remain focused on being peaceful. Because one of the things I share and I teach is to live from the inside out and not the other way around. Because all the marketing that comes at us and the sales and everything that is coming at us really, in my humble opinion, is spooking the out of us. It's tripping us up into high levels of anxiety. And I think collectively, there is a sense of almost shock energetically and horror at what is going on. So it is really, really important to decide to live from the inside out and with very clear intention. And that is very, very different from making up your mind that you want to be slimmer, fitter, well, whatever it is, or that you're only going to lose your temper once a week, or whatever it is. Intentions is something that you can just gently, kindly remind yourself about and constantly go towards becoming that. So becoming more peaceful, becoming more grateful in my case. So I'm definitely going to have those two again. And I'm also going to add deliberately choosing joy, because it's one of the most powerful medicines that we have in our cabinet. And I don't mean manically, idiotically, superficially joyful. I don't mean being joyful when someone's just told you that your favourite great uncle has died. I mean choosing joy as an inside job. What on earth does that mean to you? And joy might not be the word for you, but for me, being grateful and being peaceful almost automatically ignites a sort of gentle humming of just joy, and not joy because I'm getting my own way, not joy because there's £1 million at the bank, not joy because things are going well, but just I'm choosing joy. And I'm going to leave you with this lovely, I think a lovely thought, that when you go amongst nature, even in the midst of the winter, when you're really alert and looking outwards, you will see such splendor and beauty. And if nature could speak to you, I think she would say that her expressions of what she's here to do which is just to keep on being the natural world for us, I think the emotion would be joy. The energy is joy. So when in the spring, which is going to come, we're going to have more of winter for a bit, and January is usually very flat. Allow yourself to just practice being joy. Just practice it with me. So join me, please, in having a peaceful, grateful, and perhaps joyful beginning of the new year, because that is going to be the best medicine going through the January months and the January blues. When you can just allow yourself to focus on what an amazing opportunity it is to still be alive and to still have your own hands on your own steering wheel and deciding where you're going and what you want to do, when and if you can. But nobody can take away your internal intentions. So no matter what your circumstances are, you can choose that. Take huge care and let me and the amazing people that I have supporting me on this journey, building, unraveling your potential, and another company, we are all saying very, very peaceful new year to you. Take care. Bye-bye.